I got a monkey. I got a monkey. Come monkey. Get the monkey. Oh damn! Look at all these monkeys. Jama's running. Where did you run? Why did you run?
Monkeys and snakes, I'm not into it.
Good day. Oh, sunny day, Zambia. No. That's the baker.
Bakery.
J-Rock.
J-Rock in the field.
Bakery. This is what they call the bakery. This part is closed, I think.
Oh yeah. Not sure.
It's not yet open, huh? Asante Sana Bar and Restaurant. Alright, let's try in the shop, innit? Where are we going?
Bonanza.
Drive slowly. So take the entrance snapshot.
Mulibanji. Bueno.
Kwapia Zuba.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Uncle Bang, say something in Gujarati.
In Gujarati.
Yeah.
Kemcho bai.
Oh yeah, the brewery.
Arache.
Did you have a beer at the brewery? Monkey.
Monkey. Hey monkey.
Oh, it's
Hey monkey.
Hey,
Monkey, listen, calm down. Dorin.
Yeah, Dory. There's the brewery, but we're not gonna go in there because we're already dope.
Up in ties with soakenness.
But I'm on that. Clean Scotch. No, not for you. This is for me.
No. I'm trying to show the peeps.
Yeah. Uncle Monkey, she's Gemma Andrews now.
Listen, and I forgot to congratulate you. Yeah. Spot on. Repeat that again.
Guys.
He put a ring on it.
There's so many monkeys, but I can't catch them. Huh? I got a monkey. Come monkey. Get the monkey. Oh damn! Look at all these monkeys. Where's the other? Jama's running. Wow, where did you run to? Where did you run? Why did you run?
Monkeys and snakes, I'm not into it.
You said you want to chase the monkey.
Come on, drive a bit forward now. Look at how I was sitting. Oh, he stood up. Nah, I'm not gonna catch him. Let's get out of here. We own the monkey. We own the wild monkey. This one I go. Oh, this is what they're eating here. Here, look. I can eat this, yeah? But it's raw.
They like it, not for you, but them sure.
No, but why you want to eat it? You're going to get your stomach upset.
Look. Let's think of it. Alright, guys. So we're here by Bonanza.
Welcome to Sierra.
Thank you so much. Can we walk in now?
Yes. Can we jump out?
Oh, my mask. Yeah, you guys are crazy. Good afternoon.
Hi, Bridget.
How'd you know her name?
I know everything.
How'd you know it?
That's what she said to me. Ask Bridget for a half. I was like, okay. It's very nice.
It's actually like what, a hotel, right?
Yeah, it is.
Would you stay here?
I would actually. Are you serious?
Okay.
Bonanza, hey! Bonanza, hey! I'm gonna jump in it.
That's one beautiful pool, man. Alright, what we doing now? What we doing now, J-Rock?
Hanging out, dude.
Now we're gonna go eat some crocodile. That's what we're
Crocodile,
gonna do.
mate. Yeah, we are doing it.
You ever eaten crocodile?
Yeah, I have, man. Way back though. 2015.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Well, you're gonna eat it today. I'm gonna chef it up for you.
Ah, bro.
I'm gonna cook it.
I love it.
Okay, it's gonna happen today. Sugar cane. What can we say about sugar cane? Where sugar come from? Sit. So, this is where we're at. Sugar cane. Good sugar cane. Which one's the good one? Show me. Go. This one's small though, huh? Is it sweet? Huh? Hello. Give me a good one. Hello. Real sugar cane. Let me see that. Show me. Hello.
Side.
Yes.
Osawala.
Yeah. Give me a good one, huh? Just one. What? Get it? You got some sugar cane. The Jamaicans know about sugar cane, you know.
He's saying because I'm Jamaican, that's why.
Yeah. Look how she's cutting up. And that's sugar right there. It's a jump this. Look at my little thing. Gotta move on in this. Thank you, yeah?
Thank you.
Your area, when you
There's an old plane. Zambia Airways. Huh.
I met